I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read Webull options charts. We'll start by navigating to the options chain for a chosen stock. You'll see a clear layout presenting various contracts. Focus on understanding the strike prices and expiration dates, which are fundamental to any option strategy. This initial step is crucial for making informed trading decisions on the platform. Next, let's decode the essential data points. The bid and ask prices show where you can buy or sell, while the last price indicates the most recent trade. Implied volatility helps gauge expected price swings, and open interest reveals the total number of outstanding contracts. High volume often suggests better liquidity, making it easier to enter or exit positions efficiently. Now, let's dive into the options Greeks, which are vital for risk management. Delta tells you how much an options price might change for every $1 move in the underlying stock. Theta measures the rate of time decay, showing how much value an option loses each day. Vega indicates an option's sensitivity to changes in implied volatility, helping you assess market sentiment. Finally, here are some practical tips for navigating the Webull options chart. Utilize the available filters to quickly find contracts that match your criteria, such as specific strike prices or expiration ranges. Customize your chart view to display the data most relevant to your strategy. Remember, practicing with paper trading is an excellent way to apply what you've learned without real financial risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.